Maria.
And we're cosmetic chemists. Have you ever wondered why your cosmetics stay fresh and safe to use even without refrigeration? It's thanks to preservatives. These unsung heroes ensure our beauty products don't spoil even after repeated exposure to air and skin. Let's dive into preservatives and why they are crucial in cosmetics.
So what is a preservative? A preservative is a chemical ingredient designed to prevent growth of unwanted microorganisms, such as bacteria, mold, and yeast within cosmetic products. Every time you open or use a cosmetic product, it's exposed to air, your skin, and possibly water. These can introduce microorganisms, and the preservatives act as a defense, stopping harmful microbes from thriving. How do preservatives work? They work by either killing microorganisms or creating an environment where they can't survive. They may disrupt the microbial cell walls, denature proteins, interfere with their metabolism, or adjust pH levels to prevent growth.
What are the factors that affect preservative efficacy? Well, their temperature and pH. For example, some preservatives need to be added within a specific phase of production, while others can only work in certain pH ranges.
Also, certain preservatives work in different product types. Water-based products require broad-spectrum preservatives, while anhydrous products may not need preservatives unless they're frequently exposed to water.
So when are preservatives needed? Under U.S. law, cosmetic products don't need or don't require FDA pre-approval before hitting market. However, manufacturers must ensure their products are safe and properly labeled. Preservatives are often necessary to meet these safety standards, especially for water-based products.
So now let's dive into preservative testing. Testing is crucial to verify that a preservative system works. There are two main methods. Challenge testing, where microorganisms are intentionally added to the product to see how well the preservative system inhibits growth. Common tests include bacteria, fungi, and mold. A product passes a challenge if microbial levels remain below specific thresholds.
The second test method is in-use testing. This evaluates how the product performs under real-world conditions, such as consumer handling. These tests ensure your products are safe throughout their shelf life.
Now we understand how preservatives play a crucial role in keeping cosmetics safe, stable, and effective. From protecting you against harmful microbes to maintaining product quality, they are indispensable in modern formulations. If you want to learn more about cosmetic science, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below on whatever questions you have. Thank you so much. Bye!